Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to alter another plaque from our plaque builder template. I'm going to choose one of my other favourites and you can see we've got quite a few in here to start you off, and just have a look here. It shows you what material it's on and the size of it. So I'm going to choose today this one here. This one is on beautiful pastel pink. This is a gorgeous blush pink colour, represented well here actually. 300 millimetre acrylic. We've done our very best to represent the colours. We've actually photographed these plaques, so it gives you a bit of an idea of the difference of how it looks on the screen, because every screen is calibrated differently, so colours are a little bit tricky. So let's alter this one. Let's have a look. So currently with the promotion, this one comes up at $41.01, just exactly as it is. Let's make some changes to it. I'm going to keep the base colour as the pastel pink because I absolutely love it. And I think also the magenta, let's have a look here. I click on the word, it tells me that it's the mirror magenta. That's working beautifully as the name. And I love the Y, it's really clean. But I'd like to give this one a little bit more information, just add a few more little elements to it. So first of all, let's change the name. So I'm going to click on Sophia and I'm going to change that to Amanda. And now you can see how it's overlapping here. It's a little bit too big. So I'm needing to adjust the size slightly. I'm happy with that. I can either do that here or alternatively, I can use the arrows on my keyboard to do that. I'm just going to resize my screen just a little bit so you can see exactly what I'm working on. Then I'm going to click on May and I'm going to change that to Jane. So there we go. I've changed that to Jane, and as you can see, that's in the white acrylic and it's in the holiday travel font. And I'm quite happy with that size at the moment. So, but what I'd like to do is I'd like to add a shape in here because, I mean, that's absolutely gorgeous and would look fantastic on the wall as it is, but I'm going to add a shape. So I'm going up here to add shape, and for my first shape here, I'm going to choose a shape, and I would like to, I think I'm going to put a mermaid. So I can see here all of the shapes are here, so I can just toggle down and I can go through and have a look at them all. Just look at every single page. However, what I would like to do is I'm going to use categories here, and I know that I want a mermaid, so I'm going in to find a mermaid, and I really like the look of this one. So I'm going to pop her in. Now, this is super interesting because what we've done is we've done a test to ensure that the size that they can be cut out, each shape can be cut out and look perfect, is what it actually drops into the artwork here. So you'll see with this mermaid, I'm going to just grab her and move her down here where I'd like to position her. So that is the minimum size that she can be, because otherwise the laser machine cannot cut the detail out, because you can see there's like quite a lot of fine detail on her. Now, so this whole plaque, just remember, is 30 centimetres, so 300 millimetres diameter, which means it gives you a bit of an idea that she is about 10 centimetres. And you can see all these little bits here get cut out as well. So I think she absolutely looks gorgeous. If I want her to be slightly bigger, I just go here to these sizing tools and I click here to increase her size. You can see she's increasing, or I go back down with this tool. So you can just change her. So I'm going to make her just slightly bigger than when she popped in, because I think that she looks quite good. So you just play around with it how you want it. But I would like her to be in mirror magenta. Yes, that's absolutely stunning. Now, because I like to add a few extra elements, and I just like to finish this off by adding a couple of little hearts in. So I'm going back up here to add shapes. Shape number 2, choose a shape, and so that I don't have to filter through all of them, but it's fun to do so to see what we've got to offer. I'm going to go to love, I'm going to go to hearts, and I think I like this heart, so I'm going to add that in. Now, as you can see, it's dropped in here at the minimum size that we can actually cut it out for you. So I'm going to drag that onto my artwork, and I actually want another one for over here. So I'm now going to go to shape number 3, and I'm going to choose another shape, and I'm going to go and find that same heart, and I'm going to drop that into my artwork again. So now a couple of things here. I want these hearts to be exactly the same size in my design. So you can do a couple of things. You can either remember how many times you click to enlarge, or what I like to do is I like to choose one, get it to the size I would like. I think that's about right. And then I choose the second one. And because I'm going to position them in a different spot, I just quickly check, yep, I'm happy with that. And I'm going to put that over there because I think that looks super cute. Just going to reposition. You can see that I can just reposition all of the pieces anytime till I get them exactly how I'm happy with them. Now, these 2 hearts I also would like to be in mirror magenta. So I'm going to change those. There we go. And I'm pretty happy with that. Just going to lift everything up just a little bit because that's how I like it. And that's the great thing about this. You can just move things around. Make sure though that you do get everything in the position that you want it on the screen. I'm going to make this mermaid a little bit bigger because that is the exact position that the elements will be popped on when these plaques are assembled. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm checking that out, make sure that I'm happy with that arrangement. Now, at any time, I can keep playing with this. Like if you close out, you can actually come back to this in your store later. So that is that updated. I hope that's given you a few more tips of how you can use it. And just remember that we've got the promotion on and you can play with it however you like. So have fun creating. Bye for now.